Top 10 richest people of Bangladesh. Being a property-stricken country, in Bangladesh the ratio of rich people to poor people is quite unreal. Meagre economy and low GDP have made people of Bangladesh struggle a lot financially. Yet the number of millionaires overwhelm the reality of economic condition of Bangladesh. The top 10 richest Bangladeshi people and their asset info are stated below. Number 1, Musa bin Shamsir, the richest immigration prince of Dhaka, the founder of Datku Group. Musa bin Shamsir has so far earned $1.5 million from his immigration business. He is the richest person among many other money makers in Bangladesh. Musa is known as Prince Musa in Bangladesh. He lives in a lavish bungalow in the capital city of Dhaka, Bangladesh. Number 2, Tariq Rahman, the richest political leader, the vice chairman of Bangladesh Nationalist Party. Tariq Rahman won $1.5 million. Much of his wealth had been achieved from the business established by his father Ziaur Rahman, the former president of Bangladesh. His mother Begum Khalida Zia is an ex-prime minister of Bangladesh and the chairman of Bangladesh Nationalist Party. Tariq Rahman is said to earn money by corruption done during his mother's tenure as the 10th Prime Minister. He was sentenced by anti-corruption cell for his huge wealth. He is currently living in the UK. Number 3, Sanjeev Wajid Chai, the richest grandson of the nation, the grandson of the father of nation Sheikh Mujibur Rahman and the son of the current Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. Sanjeev Wajid Chai is a billionaire in Bangladesh. The total amount of his riches is $1 billion. Although he is not active in politics, his vast wealth is an absolute controversial question. Sanjeev Wajid Chai is educated in the USA. He is the dream leader of the slogan Digital Bangladesh. Number 4, Syed Abul Hussein, the richest member of the parliament, the founder of Shahku International Limited and the member of parliament of Bangladesh government. Syed Abul Hussein is the richest person in the parliament of Bangladesh. His net wealth is $1 billion. Shahku International Limited deal with the foreign investor who fund in Bangladesh. Syed Abul Hussein will face a quick progress after he joined politics. Number 5, Ahmad Akbar Subhan, the founder of Basundhara Group, the industrialist and the fundamental business person. Ahmad Akbar Subhan owns $5 million. He is a pioneer among the local business entrepreneurs. Basundhara Group of Ahmad Akbar Subhan has contributed vastly in the country economy. Many job opportunities have been produced from his enterprise. Number 6, Dr. Muhyiddin Khan Alamgir, the millionaire minister, the minister of the Ministry of Home Affairs and eminent economics. Dr. Muhyiddin Khan Alamgir, said to be the richest minister in Bangladesh. His total financial statement is of $400 million. Much of his wealth was earned when his party formed government in Bangladesh. Dr. Muhyiddin Khan Alamgir is a scandalous political person in Bangladesh. His source of income is too questionable. Number 7, Ghiyasuddin Mamun, the richest timber businessman. The person who has received the most political favor in Bangladesh is Ghiyasuddin Mamun. Using the political basis, he made $400 million. He made an alliance with Tariq Rahman, the vice president of Bangladesh Nationalist Party. Ghiyasuddin Mamun used his political favor to take loan from financial organization at low interest or no interest at all. He made money from a lot of business sources which were guided directly by the government of Bangladesh. Number 8, Salman F. Rahman, the Beximco Group mogul, the chairman of renowned Beximco Group. Salman F. Rahman annually receives a turnover of $300 million from the various companies under Beximco Group. He is a very popular businessman in Bangladesh. Salman F. Rahman is renowned for his chain business companies. His businesses range from IT to agriculture, including many other top companies in Bangladesh. Number 9, Rajiv Ali, the richest tea gardener. Rajiv Raghib Ali is an outstanding businessman of Bangladesh who earned a lot of wealth from the tea industries. His earned amount in $250 million. He is the most famous industrialist in Bangladesh. Raghib Ali is the chairman of Southeast Bank Limited, Bangladesh. His contribution to the local industry and economy is remarkable. Number 10. Iqbal Ahmed, the richest caterer from Sylhet shrimp and frozen food industries, has earned Iqbal Ahmed $250 million so far. He is the owner of Seamark and IBQ, the two remarkable seafood processing companies in Bangladesh. Iqbal Ahmed businesses immigrated from Sylhet city. He is globally renowned for his seafood processing industry. His industry has a big marketplace in abroad. I am Siddiq, your brother. Welcome to my YouTube channel.